From lamb to fermented shark and skier, ice cream, and all of the things in between, it's no secret that Iceland loves animal products. So what is a vegan to do? Don't worry, friends. I'm here to help you today so that you can eat while you're in Iceland. Hello Team Iceland, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeannie and I'm here to help you plan the best Iceland trip ever. Today I'm here talking about one of the most requested videos from you guys, how to eat vegan, vegetarian in Iceland. So without further ado, let's get into it. As a disclaimer, my friends, I myself am not vegan or vegetarian. So I have done what any good travel blogger would do, and I've researched all of the options for eating vegan and vegetarian while in Iceland, because that's how much I love you. With that being said, I don't know the lingo to this topic, but I'm going to do the best I can. And as a reference, just for this particular video, I have chosen to combine vegan and vegetarian into one video. I'm very well aware that it's not the same kind of eating, but you'll see what I mean in just a moment. So let's do it. So the first option for being able to completely eat vegan, vegetarian in Iceland is to bring your own food. So funny. I can just imagine like someone lugging a suitcase of food into Iceland. Like, screw the clothes, what should I bring for food? Just kidding. No, seriously, according to the Icelandic customs, you're allowed to bring up to 3 kilos, which is about 6.5 pounds, of food with you into the country. Obviously, you can't bring anything that is raw or alive. So this excludes things like fruits, vegetables, meat, dairy, eggs. So things that you wouldn't eat or bring anyway. But either way, you can bring some things just to have if you would feel more comfortable bringing those things. The second option is going grocery shopping. So I've talked plenty on this channel of how practical I think grocery shopping is for traveling in Iceland, but especially for vegan, vegetarian eaters. Not only is it cost efficient, but this is in fact the best way to completely control what you're eating when you're in Iceland. So Kronan is one of the main grocery stores in Iceland, and that's what I would recommend checking out for vegan, vegetarian options specifically. They've recently added a huge selection of vegan cheeses, ice creams, all kinds of options. Obviously, they also have plenty of things like fruits and vegetables. Just be prepared to maybe spend a little bit more than you're used to back home. So the third option is eating at restaurants that have vegan or vegetarian options on their menu. Obviously, this is going to be a lot easier to do in Reykjavik than when you're traveling around the rest of the country, but surprisingly, there are a lot of good options. As I was doing my research, I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't know they had that on their menu. And there are certain restaurants that are exclusive vegan restaurants. So what I've done, instead of listing them all and talking about what food they offer, is I've actually put links and resources and the whole list of restaurants on my website in a blog post. So definitely head to the link in the description for this video to get all of that information, because again, I'm trying to be as helpful as possible for you guys. Listen friends, I know how important it is to eat the way that you want to eat, even when you're on vacation. And I'm a traveler myself, so even though I'm not vegan or vegetarian, I like to have healthy options when I travel. So I hope this video empowers you to really have the best Iceland trip ever, even when it comes to eating. Alright my friends, that's it for your vegan, vegetarian information. I hope you loved this video, and if you found it helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next week for another Iceland planning video. Happy planning, friends!